Firstly, I just wanted to say a big thank you for joining OmegaBot. We truly appreciate you being here and taking the next step towards your trading journey. And if you're watching this and you're not already a client, what are you doing? You're missing out on the power of fully automated trading that works for you. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your OmegaBot EA on both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can get started confidently, knowing your bot is installed and running correctly. So, let's get straight into it. After you've made your purchase, the bot files will be sent directly to your email, so make sure to check your inbox carefully. You'll receive a full email that starts with a greeting saying, "Hello," and you'll find the bot files attached at the bottom of that email. If you don't see anything come through within a few minutes, make sure to check your spam or junk folder, as sometimes it can end up there by mistake. And if you've checked your inbox and spam folder and still can't find the files, don't worry. Just contact our support team, and we'll make sure to get everything over to you as quickly as possible. Now, the next step is to download MetaTrader 4. To do this, go to Google and type in your broker's name followed by MetaTrader 4 download. For example, if your broker is IC Markets, type in IC Markets MetaTrader 4 download. It's really important that you download MetaTrader 4 directly from your broker's website, not from the official MetaTrader website. If you download it from the official MetaTrader website, it won't connect to your broker's servers properly, and you won't be able to trade. So make sure you're on your broker's official website when you download MetaTrader 4. Then install it on your computer like any other program. Now that you've downloaded MetaTrader 4 from your broker's website, go ahead and open the installer. Follow the steps shown on the screen to complete the installation. It's a simple process. Just click through and let it install. Once it's finished, you should see two new programs on your computer. The first one is MetaTrader 4, which is your main trading platform. And the second one is MetaEditor, which is used for editing and adding expert advisors like your OmegaBot EA. By now, you should have downloaded the bot files from your email onto your desktop. Make sure they're easy to find, as you'll need them in a moment. Alongside your bot files, you'll also have a PDF file. This PDF explains everything in detail, even beyond what's covered in this video. Feel free to use whichever works best for you, the video or the PDF, whichever you prefer. This is your journey, and I'm here to make it as smooth as possible for you. Trading is my profession, and supporting you is my passion, so choose whatever helps you feel confident setting up today. Now let's continue. Go ahead and open MetaTrader 4. In the top left corner of the screen, click File. Then click Open Data Folder. Inside the Data folder, click on the MQL4 folder. Then open the Experts folder. Here, you're going to drag your OmegaBot file into this Experts folder. It will usually look something like omegabot.ex4, but don't worry if your version name is slightly different. Just drag your bot file here. Once that's done, go back to the MQL4 folder and click on Presets. In the Presets folder, drag over your OmegaBot settings file. Again, the file name might include your version, but just drag the .set file into Presets. After that, you can close down the folder windows. Now, back on MetaTrader 4, what I recommend is setting the bot up on GAPI and USJIA on the 5-minute time frame. In this video, I won't be able to show it fully because I'm not logged into a live account, but that's what I suggest for most setups. Next, under the Navigator panel, right-click on Expert Advisors and click Refresh. You should now see OmegaBot appear in the list. Drag OmegaBot onto your chosen chart. A settings box will pop up. Just follow along with what I do in the video to make sure everything is set up correctly. Finally, at the top middle of the screen, make sure to press Auto Trading to turn the bot on. You'll know it's working if there's a smiley face in the top right corner of your chart. And remember, you can close MetaTrader 4 down to your taskbar, but it needs to stay running in the background. If MetaTrader 4 is closed completely, the bot won't work. Now, let's move on to setting up OmegaBot on MetaTrader 5. The process is very similar to MetaTrader 4. First, go to Google and type in your broker's name followed by MetaTrader 5 download. For example, if your broker is IC Markets, type in IC Markets MetaTrader 5 download. Just like before, make sure you're downloading MetaTrader 5 directly from your broker's website, not from the official MetaTrader website, to ensure it connects properly to your broker's servers. Once you've downloaded MetaTrader 5, go ahead and install it by following the steps shown on the screen. The installation process is exactly the same as MetaTrader 4. After MetaTrader 5 is installed, you'll need the MetaTrader 5 version of OmegaBot. To get this, simply message our support team and ask for the MetaTrader 5 version. Our support team will reply asking for some proof of ownership. Just send them a screenshot of your purchase confirmation email to verify your account. Once that's done, our support team will respond with, "Thank you for the confirmation. Here is your OmegaBot for MetaTrader 5. Now, with your OmegaBot file ready for MetaTrader 5, let's get it set up. First, open MetaTrader 5. In the top left corner of the screen, click File. Then click Open Data Folder. Inside the Data folder, click on the MQL5 folder, then open the Experts folder. You're going to drag your OmegaBot file into the Experts folder. It will usually look something like omegabot.mq5. For MetaTrader 5, you don't need a separate set file because all the settings are already built into the bot file itself. Once that's done, go back to MetaTrader 5. This time, there's an extra step. On your keyboard, press F4. This will open MetaEditor. In MetaEditor, look for your OmegaBot file under the Experts folder. Right-click on it, then click Compile. This will compile your bot and prepare it for use. Once that's done, you can close MetaEditor and go back to MetaTrader 5. If you don't see OmegaBot under Expert Advisor straight away, just right-click and click Refresh, and it should appear. After that, what I recommend is setting the bot up on the same pairs as MetaTrader 4, which are GBP/JPY and USD/JPY on the 5-minute time frame. Again, I can't show you this fully in the video because I'm not logged into a live account, but that's what I suggest. Finally, instead of clicking Auto Trading like on MetaTrader 4, you'll click Algo Trading at the top of the screen to turn the bot on. And it's as simple as that. If you came here just to see the MetaTrader 5 tutorial, I still strongly recommend watching the full video to get a better understanding of OmegaBot and how everything works together for your trading success. If there's anything you didn't understand in this video, make sure to contact our support team. We're always here to guide you. Thank you for watching until the end. Thank you for your time, your trust, and for choosing OmegaBot to be part of your trading journey. And if you haven't purchased OmegaBot yet, like I said before, what are you doing? Opportunities don't wait forever. This is your moment to take control, to automate your trading, and to move forward with confidence. Once again, thank you for being here. We appreciate you more than you know.